We are working towards the goals of the net zero initiatives, and it's exciting to be a part of that.
My name's Harriet and I'm a graduate design engineer.
At Omexom, it feels like a team rather than just a traditional hierarchy. We're all working together. As a graduate, I'm still learning so much. They are really great with not forcing any specialisation. We do underground, we do geotechnical, structural, and some parts of electrical. And it's great to be able to just learn all of that. Senior designers, and they really encourage you to try and find what you enjoy doing and to learn as much as you can. How to design something, how to think more like an engineer. I don't feel like a graduate. I feel like a member of the team. I feel like they want to help and they want to treat me as their equal.